Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing full locks today. I did all kinds of sizes, parts. You can do whatever part sizes you want, but anyways, let's get into it. First, obviously, you're gonna need a plait, which I'm gonna show you how to do if you don't know. You're going to need this thingy, I don't know what it's called, but it puts the hair through, edge control, leave in, and obviously your hair. So first I put the leave-in on my hair just so it's a little bit of moisture before I put my hair in these braids because they're going to be in for a while. Then I proceed to use the edge control on the base of my hair to help smooth it down a little bit because my hair was blow dried halfway, so it helped a little bit, but still needed the edge control to help smooth down that base. Once I've moisturized and smoothed down the base, I'm just going to go ahead and braid it, as you can see I'm doing in the video right now. After you finish braiding, you're going to go ahead and take the lock hair, and there's going to be a hole at the top of it. You're going to widen it, and I just like to place it on my thumb because it made it easier for me. And then you're going to take the needle thingy and you're going to close that latch so it doesn't rip your hair. And I like to find an opening in the top and bottom of the braid so it makes it easier to put the latch through. And I go ahead and slide the latch from the bottom to the top of it through the braid's base. And once I've done that, I will put the circle that we already made off the lock through the latch. You're going to open the latch back up to put it in there. Then you're going to close the latch back after that and slide that through the base of the hair back down where you came through, as you see right now. Once the hair has been pulled through, you're basically going to take that loop and pull your hair as well as the lock hair through that hole to basically secure it at the base of your hair. So you're going to take it and pull your hair and the lock hair through the hole, and then pull the lock hair to help tighten the base of it. And that's how you keep it secure and attached to your head. Once you've done that, you're going to start unraveling the lock hair so that you can twist it around your braid to conceal the braid inside of the lock. Make sure you're twisting it in the direction that the lock is going in. So if you can feel that the locks are twisting to the left, then that's the way you need to be twisting it back over your braid. You need to just feel around the first couple of times so that you can get the hang of it, but this is why I have the up close so you all can see like what I'm doing with my hands. But I'm unlocking the lock hair and then pulling it around the braid, unlocking the lock hair and then pulling it around the braid all the way until you get down to the end of your hair. Once I got to the end of the lock, I kind of just tucked, once I got to the very end of my braid, I kind of tucked it into the lock because there wasn't much to wrap anymore, and that helped secure it. It didn't unravel. And as you can see, that is the lock. It's very simple. As you can see, I'm just going to repeat that process and put the latch through the base of my braid. Once I've got it through the base of my braid, I'm going to go ahead and take the lock hair and clip it onto the end of the latch. And once I've got it attached to the end of the latch and I've closed the latch again so I'm not ripping the hair at the base of my braid, I'm just going to pull that through, so then I can go ahead and proceed to loop the hair around to secure my lock. Again, here's an up close of me unraveling. Let me move that hair out to the side. Me unraveling the lock and then wrapping it around my braid. Also, I do want to make the point that your braids Obviously, don't make them so large that they won't fit inside the locks, or the top part where your braid is so big that it does not match the ends of it. So try to make your braids a size that's going to fit inside the lock and match at the bottom, so it's not really big at the top and then really loose at the bottom. But yeah, that was just a thing I made sure to take note of, what size braids fit in the lock that still match the whole thing. And this is just going to be my last little clip so you guys can see it in a sped up version. But that's pretty much all it takes to do the locks, and yeah. Okay, so I am finally done. It's honestly not that hard of a process. As you can tell, like, my parting is not like really straight like how I would do for my braids or something, because they're supposed to be like faux locks. So I wasn't trying to really make it like super special. Like, some of these are considered, I guess, messed up, but I'm kind of gonna leave them that way because I don't want the like perfect look, even though the ends are still kind of shiny-ish. The majority, because my hair is long, so I had to unwrap a lot of the faux lock. It's messy enough on the top for me to leave it alone. I actually really like this. I've never had them before. I want to try something new. I know it's been like a little craze going on, and I was like, I can do this at home. I used 2.5 packs, maybe 2 or 3 quarters, because this is all that's left of the 3rd pack. I still have 3 more packs. I was going to extend them at first, but I'm okay with the length they are currently. The pack I bought, I'll put in the description. I think it is sold out on Amazon, but you can buy similar packs. It came with these like 2 clips, and it came with this as well as obviously the hair, and it gave me like 4 of these, but I have some more, so I'll put those on. And yeah, it's not a hard process. It's more so just like tedious, but it's quicker than doing your braids because you don't have to like twist it all the way down. You just braid your hair. So if your hair is longer like mine's, then it may take you a little bit longer than someone with shorter hair, but it's still not that big of a deal. It's like a 2-minute process to do each braid, and then you just wrap that bad boy through it. I really like these. Let me know if you guys try it. It's not hard to do, even if you don't really do hair. As long as you know how to plait, you basically can do these. It did take me a while to understand the wrapping process, which is why I showed you like some up close clips, some far away clips, some sped up clips. But once you get the hang of which direction you're twisting, because all mine were twisted to the left. Well, to the left. So eventually I realized just move the braid to that side, so then I'm twisting it over it to the left. Like, you'll get the feel of it, because my first 2 or 3 I was like, I don't get it, but you'll get it eventually. I recommend this hairstyle. I like it a lot. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, it's gonna be my hair for school, and it's not coming out till I got time. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and yeah.